Ever thought about selling on Etsy but don't know where to start? Welcome to the vibrant, creative world of Etsy. This international marketplace is a haven for artisans, crafters, and vintage enthusiasts looking to sell their unique products. It's a platform where creativity meets commerce, and you can be part of it. Imagine having your own corner in this global marketplace, selling everything from handmade jewelry to one-of-a-kind furniture, vintage clothing to artisanal coffee. But that's not all. Etsy is also a fantastic platform for digital products. Graphic designs, digital prints, even your own ebooks can find a home here. The potential for sellers on Etsy is immense. With millions of active buyers, it's a marketplace that offers opportunities for everyone. Whether you're an artist looking for a platform to showcase your work, or an entrepreneur exploring new selling avenues, Etsy is the place to be. So, are you ready? You're about to learn how to set up your Etsy shop in simple, easy steps. Setting up an Etsy shop requires a few key steps. Getting started is as simple as creating an account. You'll need a valid email address, a strong password, and a unique username to create your Etsy identity. This username is what you'll use to log into the platform, not necessarily your shop name, so don't fret if you haven't settled on a perfect moniker just yet. Next, you'll choose your shop name. This name is your brand, your beacon in the vast Etsy marketplace. It needs to be unique, catchy, and representative of what you offer. It's worth taking some time to brainstorm and research to ensure your chosen name stands out and resonates with your target audience. Remember, Etsy allows you to change your shop name once, so choose wisely. After selecting your shop name, you'll move to setting up shop preferences. Here you'll specify your shop language, country, and currency. These selections help Etsy to provide a personalized experience for your potential customers, showing them your listings in their language and currency. Next, you'll choose how you want to get paid. Etsy offers a variety of payment options for your customers, including credit cards, debit bank cards, Etsy gift cards, and Etsy credits, PayPal, some bank transfer services, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. You can opt for Etsy Payments, which accepts all these methods, or choose PayPal if it's more convenient for you. Following that, you'll set up billing. Etsy charges a small fee for each listing and transaction, so you'll need to provide a valid credit or debit card for these charges. Finally, you'll stock your shop. At this point, you won't need to upload products just yet. You'll simply tell Etsy what you plan to sell, whether it's handmade goods, vintage items, or craft supplies. As the last step, you'll fine-tune your shop with a logo, banner, and shop announcement. These elements introduce your brand to potential customers, so make them engaging and reflective of your shop's personality. With your shop set up, you're ready to start listing your products. Now the real fun begins as you embark on your Etsy selling journey. Listing your products effectively is crucial to attracting buyers. To create a compelling product listing, you'll need to pay attention to three main elements: product photography, pricing, and product descriptions. Firstly, product photography. Your pictures need to be clear, well-lit, and professionally shot, showcasing your product from different angles. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and this couldn't be truer when it comes to online selling. Next is pricing. Be fair and competitive with your pricing. Research similar products on Etsy to get an idea of what customers are willing to pay. Lastly, product descriptions. This is your chance to sell your product. Be detailed and clear, highlighting the features and benefits. Use sensory words to help potential buyers imagine what it's like to own your product. And remember to use keywords throughout your listing to improve your searchability. A well-crafted product listing can make all the difference in attracting and converting potential customers. A great listing is just the start. Let's dive into Etsy SEO and marketing strategies. When you're selling on Etsy, understanding the importance of Etsy SEO is crucial. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing your listings so that they appear higher in search results. This can significantly increase your shop's visibility and, as a result, your sales. So how can you optimize your product listings for SEO? Firstly, use relevant and descriptive keywords in your product titles and descriptions. Think about what potential customers might type into the search bar when looking for a product like yours. For instance, if you're selling handmade leather wallets, you might include keywords such as handcrafted, leather, and wallet. Secondly, fill out all the attributes and tags when listing a product. These help Etsy understand what you're selling and match your listing to relevant searches. Also, try to use all 13 tags Etsy allows for each listing. These tags can be up to 20 characters long, so consider using multi-word phrases that accurately describe your product. Next, let's talk about marketing strategies. Promoting your Etsy shop on social media is a powerful way to reach more potential customers. You could share beautiful photos of your products on Instagram, engage with your followers on Twitter, or create engaging content on Facebook. Remember to include links to your Etsy shop in your social media profiles so that interested followers can easily find your products. Another effective marketing strategy is using Etsy ads. By setting a daily budget, you can advertise your products directly on Etsy. These ads can help your listings stand out in search results and reach more customers. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of good customer service. Responding to queries promptly, providing regular updates, and going the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction can turn one-time buyers into repeat customers. This not only boosts your sales, but also improves your shop's reputation, which can further improve your search ranking on Etsy. By optimizing your listings and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can increase your shop's visibility and reach more customers. There are plenty of tools and resources that can help you succeed on Etsy. For instance, Etsy Rank is a fantastic tool for search engine optimization. It helps you analyze your shop's performance, providing insights on how to improve your listing's visibility. Meanwhile, if you're looking to enhance your listing's visual appeal, Canva is a great resource. It offers a wide range of design templates, making it easy to create eye-catching product images. Etsy's Seller Handbook is another invaluable resource. It's packed with advice from experienced sellers and Etsy staff, covering everything from product photography to customer service. It's like having a seasoned Etsy mentor at your fingertips. In addition, tools like CraftyBase help you manage inventory and track expenses, while Marmalade offers keyword and market research to optimize your listings. Remember, these are just a few examples. There are many other resources out there to help you streamline your operations and grow your Etsy business. It's all about finding what works best for you and your shop. These tools and resources can help you streamline your operations and grow your Etsy business. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started with an introduction to Etsy, the vibrant marketplace that caters to creative entrepreneurs around the world. Then we dove into the process of setting up an Etsy shop, where we discussed the essentials from creating an appealing shop name to defining clear shop policies. We moved on to the art and science of listing products, highlighting the importance of keyword-rich titles, engaging descriptions, and high-quality photos. We also explored the world of Etsy SEO and marketing, emphasizing the role of keywords in making your products discoverable and the power of social media in driving traffic to your shop. Lastly, we delved into the essential tools and resources that can enhance your selling experience on Etsy, regardless of whether you're selling physical or digital products. We touched on Etsy's policies, the importance of SEO optimization, and offered practical advice on customer engagement. With these tips and insights, you're well equipped to start your Etsy selling journey. Good luck!